Hi, welcome to the popping sound. Again, we are going to make popping sounds with the marbles. It's popping sound ASMR, and this is a behind the scenes. Just got into my studio, and I'm setting up for a new marble skit. So I'm really excited. I've got my lights already on, and I've already got my toys sitting up in the back. Not really sure how I'm gonna put some of this stuff together today, but I'm really excited. This is a behind the scenes. I have been using my dinosaurs. I've got a bunch of dinosaurs. Anyways, popping sound ASMR, behind the scenes, starting my day off. And I hope y'all hear that popping sound, because I sure do. Popping sound ASMR, like and subscribe and come back, because this is going to be a fun channel to watch. Have a good one.